With an aim to expand the presence of grassroots football in the state, the Meghalaya Football Association had announced the launch of the first dedicated amateur football league in the state, which is scheduled to kick off on 11th June this year. The league, which will feature 20 teams who will compete over 10 months in a round-robin format, will be open only to amateurs. Although the league will be for amateur footballers of the state, yet it will be a professionally managed competition. Addressing a press conference held today, MFA Treasurer Wanchan Kharkrang and MFA Advisor Arki Nongrum said that the MFA Amateur League is aimed at fostering community bonding through healthy competition while at the same time promoting a fit and active lifestyle amongst the players.
And the whole purpose of this press conference is the Meghalaya Football Association wants to announce the launch of the Amateur League. Yes, this is something that is not new, but then one way you can see it's new because this will be a league which will be properly structured. The basic concept of Amateur League is giving an opportunity for those who have interest in the game of football to play the game in a more structured manner. All along, I mean, if you look at the structure of football in our state, is that only those players who qualify and who aspire to play for clubs get the opportunity to play football long term. But then we forget that in the game of football, it's not about producing two 11-a-side teams to play the competition. You need people also to come and watch the game who are well versed with the game as well. Then you find that the growth of football will be very healthy in the state. So this amateur league is at its inaugural stage. We'll be having 20 teams. This year we will be located here in Shillong. The home venue will be the MFA turf. We are looking at Maulai Madanhe as one of the venues that will be in consultation with them, and the Sai football ground as well in Nihu. These 20 teams who will be eligible to play for them will be non-professional, non-elite players who have not registered from any clubs. They will be eligible to participate, and the teams that will be formed also will be formed only within the circle of those players who have interest in football, but then who have not reached yet that level rather who will never reach that level to play semi-professional or professional football.